Welcome. There have been queries from students regarding what are the best books we should follow for preparing for NET Geography. Now, there are a series of books that you would have to follow. If you want to go into independent depth of each of these books, for example, in geomorphology, Stroller and Thornbury are the best references that you must refer. Geography Made Simple is another good book that you can refer. Bunet is a book where you would specifically find diagrams. The other authors you can go through, but if you want to really understand the core crux, these are the best references. Similarly, in climatology, Critchfield is one of the best books that you can follow. For physical geography, oceanography, biogeography, Rupa Made Simple is a good reference. For human geography, there are various books. Hudson and Alexander is one of the excellent books that you can see for economic geography. There have been references for population and settlement geography by Ramchandran. Those are really good. Then for models, there have been various references that are individually available. For example, Coutinho is one very good book for understanding geography of India. Book by C.B. Memoria is a classic book that you can see. There are numerous different segments under each of the categories, like for cultural geography, settlement geography of India, contemporary geography. Mainly the government reports, the PIB documentations are one of the best documentations that you can follow. But in case you are not able to go through all of these, we have compiled all these books under these heads. So this would have you a comprehensive approach for physical geography, human economic, geography of India, as well as GIS. In case you have any other questions or queries regarding the book and the book list, you can feel free to connect back to us. We'll provide you more detailed references. These were just few references that we have been citing in here, but there are definitely more important references that you must refer in case you want to go into the real depth of each of the individual sections within the subject. Thanks for joining in. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to connect on the given number. Thank you.